Welcome to Asrs4u Express, Lifecycle of a Sponsored Project. This short lesson will introduce you to the lifecycle of a sponsored project. The lifecycle is divided into pre-award and post-award. The pre-award section consists of the functions of proposal development, the proposal routing and submission process, and contract negotiation. Post-award begins with the acceptance of the agreement and the setup of the project in the accounting system. Post-award functions continue through the management and closeout of the project. We will briefly touch on each of these areas in the following slides. The principal investigator, known as the PI, is the lead faculty member on the project. The PI initiates the proposal process. The principal investigator generates the proposal idea. The PI locates a sponsor and funding opportunity announcement in which their idea would be a good fit. The PI is responsible for identifying and assembling the team to perform the work, including collaborators and subrecipients. As early in the process as possible, the PI should contact their SRS proposal administrator to inform them of the upcoming proposal. Since a funded proposal is awarded to the institution and not to the individual, the PI works with SRS, as SRS is the office authorized to submit the proposal. The proposal administrator reviews the specific funding opportunity announcement and collaborates with the researchers to prepare and submit a compliant proposal. Proposal administrator's primary responsibilities are the preparation of the budget and making sure that it is compliant with the funding opportunity announcement and preparing the administrative sections of the proposal. The proposal administrator routes the proposal for internal review and approval, but then submits the proposal to the sponsor. Once a proposal is selected for funding, the sponsor will notify SRS by issuing a notice of award. The notice of award is the agreement between the sponsor and the institution. In SRS, the award and account setup and expediting team, known as Asset, receives and logs in the notice of award. If applicable, they will forward the agreement to a contract negotiator to review the terms and conditions. Once the agreement has been approved and accepted, Asset will enter the terms and conditions into the Maestro and Famous accounting systems, notify the PI, and release the project to the post-award project administrator. SRS contract negotiators, known as CNs, facilitate negotiation while also working to protect the interest of the researcher and the system member. Contract negotiators negotiate non-standard terms and conditions and work to ensure a successful negotiation that results in a fully executed agreement. SRS project administrators serve as the central point of contact for the investigator, department administrator, system member, and sponsor regarding post-award activities. Project administrators review project expenditures to ensure that they are allowable on the project. They will review the expenditure rate, known as the burn rate, to make sure that funds are being expended at the appropriate rate. The project administrator will perform non-financial functions, such as initiating no-cost extensions and communicating with the sponsor on various actions. The closeout process is an important phase of the sponsored project lifecycle. In return for the funding, the sponsor expects that the deliverables specified in the agreement will be met. This includes a final technical report, final financial report, and any other required deliverables. Generally, the closeout process has to be completed in a specified time frame. For example, for federal grants, there's a 120-day period from the end date of the project for the closeout to be completed. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of the life cycle of a sponsored project. We look forward to hearing from you soon and helping support you in your research endeavors.